Hi, I'm Nitin Garg. Today I recorded this video to show you that what are fields into Salesforce object and what are the standard and custom field. So field is like a column into the database table. So if you work on the Excel sheet, you you can create you have multiple columns. So every column you can name it like the ID, name, age, right? So these are the columns into the Excel sheet. Same thing happens into the Salesforce object, that you create a field so that you can store a value into that field to create a row, to create a record into the Salesforce object. So if I go into the, let's say, in the all account section, so here in the all account section, account name, account site, billing state, phone type, these are the fields, and every field is containing some value, right? So that's what the field is. If you go to the opportunities section, here again, name, account name, amount, close date, these are the fields, and every field is responsible to store some information so that it can create a record in a given object. So when I'm putting the Burlington textile as a value, here the account name is a value, and then we am putting that some amount, some close date, and hitting save. So it is creating a record into the opportunities object. Now we can have a two type of fields. First one is a standard field and another one is a custom field. So standard field is that the fields which come out of the box with the standard object. So account, opportunity, leads, contact, these are the out of the box object which comes with the Salesforce, and every object is coming with the with some fields as well. So those are the out of the box field called the are called standard field. But if you create a new field in these objects, those are called custom fields. So let's say due to project requirement, you want to create a new field into the account object, like age, right? So then age will be the custom object into the account object. Sorry, age will be the custom field into the account object. Or if you create a custom object because of the project requirement, then all the fields which you will create are the custom field, because there is no out of the box field in that custom object. So if you go into the object manager, and here if you click on account and click on field and relationship, so here you will see all the fields which have been created into the account object, right? And if you'll see underscore c, it means it's a custom field which has been created, right? So that's what it is. And if you will open any other custom object, let's say teacher, which I've created earlier. So teacher is a custom object, and it has highest degree name as a custom field. Salary is another custom field. Total salary is another custom field. So underscore c is being appended in the custom field, so that it is describing that what is custom field and what is the standard field. Created by id, the standard field, so it is automatically being created whenever we are creating a new custom objects. uh, Same with the owner id, last modified, these are the standard field, right? You can create new field by clicking on new. So if you are on a custom object or on the standard object, concept will remain same, that under the field and relationship you need to click on new. Once you will click on new, it will ask the data type, that what will be the field data type you want to use there. So auto number is like a auto generated number, or for example id, right, or student id or something which you want to generate. So that's a auto number, so you do not need to put it again. Based on the format which you will define, it will be there. You can have a formula as a data type, where you can have a you can have some algorithm, and based on that you want to populate that field. Like you have a two field and you want to use the sum of that those two fields into this new field, right? And then lookup relationship and master detail relationships are the parent child relationship, and roll up summary is at this moment is disabled, but it is dependent on the master detail relationship. If you have if your custom object has a master detail relationship, then roll up summary will be enabled to summarize the value. Checkbox is for true, for a true false. right? So you can save a true false value in this field, and checkbox will be checked or unchecked on the UI. Currency, date time, email, geolocation, number. Here you can save the percentage, phone, pick list, multi-select pick list. So if you want to have a drop down to select multiple values in that drop down, then pick list multi-select. There are the six type of five type of text uh, fields. So this is a text field. Text area has a 255 character, but you can have the lines. Text area long will have a more characters with a separate line. Rich, you can have a formatted text like the bold, italic, so it will save that formatting. Right, encrypted will encrypt the value. Here you can save the time and you can save the URL. So let's say I select text and hit next. So now I need to put the field label which will be displayed. So let's say age. So it will ask length. So let's say I want to say 20 characters. Field name will be remain age. I can put some description and help text. If you want to make this field required, then check this checkbox. If you want to have a unique value in this field among the all the records, then you should select this checkbox. And I'm just leaving it for now. If you want to put a default ID, the default value, that whenever you want to create a new row, then there will be some predefined value which you want to pre-populate, then you will put some value here, but I'm just leaving as it is. And here it is asking that this field should be available to which profile. So at this moment I'm selecting that okay, for all the profiles this field will be visible. If you want to make this field read only for some of the profile, then you can select it here, but I'm skipping it for now and hitting next. Here it is asking that on which layout this field should be displayed. Right now it has only this the teacher object has only one layout, so it is being displayed there. And I'm just clicking save now. Now the age field has been created and it is age underscore c, and text, its a data type is text with the 20 characters as a limit, right? So this is how we can create a new field into the object. So I hope now it's clear that what is field, what is the difference between standard and custom fields, and how we can create a new field into the object. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.